Hello everyone. Today we will talk about one of the best brands globally, BMW. Bayerische Motoren Werke, popularly known as BMW, is a German-based automobile manufacturing company. It was founded by Franz Josef Popp in 1916. BMW is headquartered in Munich, Bavaria, Germany, with an employee count of 105,876. As of 2012, BMW is one of the most admired and trusted automobile manufacturers besides Audi and Mercedes-Benz. BMW is the parent company for the much revered Royal Class automobile maker Rolls-Royce motor cars and mini motor cars. BMW currently manufactures and produces cars and motorcycles, with latter being shipped under BMW MOTOARC. The company forms the trio of the luxury automobile manufacturers, popularly called as German Big Three, with Audi and Mercedes-Benz being the other two. Now let us talk about the history of this loving brand BMW. History and founders. BMW was founded by Franz Josef Popp, Karl Rapp, Camillo Castiglione. Initially it was Rapp Motoren Werke, an aircraft manufacturing firm. In 1918, however, after the First World War, the manufacturing unit of the firm was forced to stop making aircraft engines, and they switched to motorcycle production in 1923. Soon after, the brand started producing and manufacturing motorcycles on a commercial scale. A few years later, in 1930, the company was given a green signal for the aircraft manufacturing unit following the removal of the treaty. However, the company faced stiff financial crisis in 1959, and it was decided that instead of liquidifying the organization, it will switch over to new sector of the automobile manufacturing. Successful years and racing history. With current estimate of more than 6 assembly operations across Middle East, Southeast, Russia and Egypt, BMW is reported to have increased the production of the automobiles specifically to meet the market demands. Besides being a brand name in luxury automobiles and motorrades, BMW earned great success at different Formula One races. According to the recent report, more than 20 BMWs are participating in the Formula One. BMW cars tasted success at different events, most recent being the BMW Sauber F1 team and Canadian Grand Prix in 2008. Manufacturing sites. With 4 operating divisions: BMW Motorrad, Mini, BMW Motorsport and BMW the company was able to generate revenue of £76.84 billion as of 2012. According to reputed magazines and surveys, BMW has its name listed among the top automobile manufacturers and among top 20 best technical companies to work with. Honors. As of 2016, the owners of the BMW are Stefan Quandt, who owns 29% of the shares, Suzanne Platten, who owns 21%, and the other 50% are publicly owned. Now here the list of BMW cars available now. Subscribe to my channel, do share and like this video.